Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best galvanized flower pots are probably one of the most durable and stylish options for displaying your favorite plants, adding a touch of rustic elegance to any indoor or outdoor space. In this video, we will explore what makes them stand out, examining their durability, aesthetic appeal, and versatility, while also providing you with a comprehensive buying guide to help you select the perfect pot for your needs and preferences. Number 5. Galvanized Metal Trough Planter. This planter brings rustic elegance to your home or garden. Its unique design complements various decor styles, adding a touch of vintage charm. Hang it indoors or outdoors, it's lightweight and easy to install. Use it as a two-tiered planter or separate the tiers for individual use. Showcase your favorite plants, ferns, succulents, or even herbs, in this stylish planter. It's ideal for creating a lush, vibrant display. It's also great for storage. Use it to hold small items, craft supplies, or even bathroom essentials. The possibilities are endless. Surprise a fellow plant lover with this unique and adorable gift. It's perfect for housewarmings or any special occasion. While it doesn't have drainage holes, slight gaps allow for watering. Avoid overwatering or drill drainage holes if needed. Check the listing photos for detailed dimensions. Choose the perfect size to suit your space and plants. What we like? It's a two-tiered planter, perfect for showcasing a variety of plants. Its versatility allows for indoor or outdoor use, adding a charming farmhouse touch to any space. If you're looking to create a rustic, layered display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? I hang them on my brick wall. I did drill holes at the bottom of each trough, which was super easy, then I spray painted them the exact silver color to avoid rust. Once it dried, the next day I made succulent arrangements in the trough. It looked real good and cute as well. They are so nice and have a surprising amount of room in them. I keep them hanging on a lattice wall outside my front door and keep herbs in them. In one pot I have a Thai basil, a morning glory, and regular basil, and 2 vincas. They are very good quality, but for some reason I am not completely in love with them. Nor sure why. Make sure you have the space to hang them. Number 4. FirsTime Silver Farmhouse Planters. It comes in 2 sizes, a large one and a smaller one. They're perfect for any outdoor space, adding a touch of elegance to your garden or patio. Notice the aged silver galvanized finish and black stands. It's made of metal and has a beautiful, rustic look. These planters are not only stylish but also practical. They feature convenient carrying handles and a corrugated texture. This versatile planter set is great for indoors or outdoors, adding a touch of farmhouse charm to any room or space. Just keep it under cover to protect it from the elements. Whether it's a new home or a gift, this stylish planter makes a statement. It's a beautiful and decorative piece that blends farmhouse and industrial styles. This planter can support a maximum weight of 10 pounds. Please ensure your plants and soil do not exceed this limit. What we like? This set includes 2 generously sized planters, ideal for larger plants or creating a statement display. The aged silver finish adds a touch of elegance, while the 2-piece design offers flexibility in placement. If you need a substantial and stylish planter set, this is the one for you. What people say? These planters are even better than the pictures. No assembly required, just took them out of the box and placed them on the terrace. They were packaged very well. The metal work is done well, the seams are smooth and the handles are securely set and soldered into place. The inside of the buckets are smooth and easy to clean. They fit well in so many locations. Number 3. Juvale Galvanized Planters. These rustic mini metal tubs bring a touch of vintage charm to any space. Their stylish design makes them perfect for indoor or outdoor use. It's the perfect housewarming gift, a beautiful party centerpiece, or even cute party favor containers. The possibilities are endless. Made from galvanized steel, they're built to last. They're ideal for displaying artificial flowers and plants, adding a touch of rustic elegance. Measuring 7.5 by 6.4 by 4 inches, they're compact yet spacious enough for your storage needs. Their portable size makes them easy to move around. This set includes 6 galvanized metal buckets, each with sturdy handles for easy carrying and versatile display. Get creative with your home decor. What we like? This 6-pack of mini planters is perfect for adding a rustic touch to any event or home. They're ideal for party favors, centerpieces, or small plant displays. If you're looking for a charming and affordable way to add rustic decor, this is the perfect option. What people say. They were exactly as advertised and I used them for gift baskets. Purchase these for snacks on the tables of a wedding shower open house. They fit the rustic/modern theme perfectly. We had mixed nuts in some and party mix in others. Small plastic scoops were used in each. I am using these buckets to start my herb garden. They are perfect for what I need. I drilled a few holes in the bottom for drainage and they are working great. Number 2. Ikea Galvanized Plant Pot. This stylish pot is perfect for adding a touch of modern elegance to your home. Its galvanized finish is both durable and attractive. It's made from high-quality galvanized steel, ensuring it will last for years to come. The sleek silver finish complements any decor. With dimensions of 6 inches in diameter and 4.25 inches in height, it's ideal for a variety of plants. It's the perfect size for small to medium-sized plants. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth. It's low maintenance and easy to care for. Add a touch of modern style to your living space with this beautiful and functional pot. It's a great way to showcase your favorite plants. Whether you're decorating your home or your patio, this versatile pot is a great choice. Its durable construction can withstand various weather conditions. What we like? This simple yet elegant planter is perfect for smaller plants or spaces. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments or smaller areas. If you're looking for a stylish and budget-friendly planter, this is a great choice. What people say. Used to plant herbs. Seem to be sturdy enough. Number 1. Juvale Metal Hanging Planters. These beautiful planters add a touch of elegance to any indoor or outdoor setting. They're perfect for showcasing your favorite plants and flowers. Hang them on your balcony, fence, railing, or wall. They're incredibly adaptable and easy to place wherever you need a pop of green. Whether you're growing herbs, flowers, succulents, or vegetables, these planters provide the perfect home for your plants. They're suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Made from durable galvanized metal, they're built to last and help keep your plants hydrated and thriving. Enjoy them for years to come. Each planter comes with 2 hooks for easy hanging. They're also simple to clean and maintain, making them a low-effort way to enhance your space. These planters make a wonderful gift for plant lovers, gardeners, and anyone who appreciates beautiful home decor. They're sure to be appreciated. What we like? This 2-pack of hanging planters is perfect for adding vertical greenery to your space. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting use, both indoors and outdoors. If you're looking for a way to maximize space and add a touch of elegance, this is a great option. What people say. They hold up well and are the perfect size for my spices on my deck. They look cute on fence. Excellent. Muy resistance, buen tamino, muy funcionales y útiles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.